Big Motoring World are proud partners of Peterborough United, the Posh. And today we are here at the Big Motoring World National Preparation Centre to put a couple of their players to the test as we bring our cars up to the highest RAC approved standard with a little twist at the end. So stay tuned for that. We work on hundreds of cars a day, which means they need lots of parts. Luckily, we have our very own parts shop here at the Preparation Centre. So the challenge to the players, find 3 very specific pieces of equipment. But don't worry, we are going to put a Big Motoring World sticker on each one to help them along the way.
So we've got 3 parts for them each to find, a wiper blade, a bulb and an oil filter, which will be located somewhere in the parts department behind me. To make it a little bit easier for them, we've put a sticker on the parts to make sure that they get the right one.
How well do you think you're going to do?
I think I'm going to be terrible. I've got no hope for myself whatsoever, but we'll see how it goes.
Time starts now.
But Dave, I back you a lot more. I can't reach half the stuff.
Remember what you're looking for?
No. But I remember sticker. Is that a wiper blade?
That is a wiper blade.
Oh! There's one down.
Hasn't got a sticker.
Wait, ain't it here? I don't think. Lucas? It says Big Motoring World on it.
That's the hidden one, that's for David, but we'll take it.
I'll take it. Right, that's mine then. There's one down.
No, it doesn't count, surely.
Yes, it does, mate. There's another. I don't know which one. This filter. Mate, I'm cooking.
I'll be honest.
I'm cooking, lad. Is there? Need helping, please. Oh, this is not good for the knees.
No, it's not there.
Not there. What was the things on it? A bulb? Is it a bulb on it?
It's a filter.
Oh, I thought I'd had the filter now. Oh, here we are. There we are. There's 3 for 3, no?
Yep.
3 for 3, come on.
Cool.
Mate.
Nice.
Smashed it. Is this it?
Look at the front. So, how do you think you're going to do?
Not much better than Cian, so I'm not very confident right now.
2, 1, go.
There's one, Andy.
Is that one?
Why?
That was a good one.
Oh, I don't like this anymore.
Go on, man.
Oh, yeah.
That one. Please tell me that's mine.
Yep, it's also.
Oh, there's so many Lucases, I can't look at through every single one. Oh no, that's on camera as well. That's not good.
And you walk past where the wiper blade goes.
Oh.
Alright, time.
Oh, that is so bad.
You beat me, like.
No, I didn't.
He did beat you.
Of course you
Oh,
did.
what?
Yeah.
Oh, you smoked it as well. 40 seconds.
Speak to me like that every day. It's like the Specsavers test. Well done, mate.
Yeah, you have got a bit of a disadvantage.
Behind me is our paintless dent inspection area, where our incredible technicians remove all those little imperfections that you do not want on your new car as we bring all our vehicles up to that RAC approved standard. So the challenge for our footballers, they're going to have a go at removing those imperfections.
My name's Lewis and I'm a PDR technician. The light basically allows you to read the dent more. So without the light, you can't really read the detail of the dent. You can see it, but you can't really do much with it. So obviously with the light, you know where your tool is and basically it helps you remove the dent.
Perfect.
Let's go. Glue tab. If you want the gloves, you can have the gloves on.
Yeah, probably safer to have the gloves like.
Yeah.
Here we are.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. It's game time.
Yeah, that's enough. And then you need to find the dent where it is and place it in the middle.
There we go.
Missed.
Hold it.
I've not missed it.
Hold it for a little bit, and that should be enough.
Yeah. All right.
You're okay. For the side.
Pardon? Through the side, like that.
Yeah.
There we are. Bang!
Nice, Hayes.
Come on.
Right.
Right, yeah. Gloves on.
Oh, I thought someone didn't need the gloves.
No, I do. I'm just saying.
A lot of big talk when I was doing it.
Yeah.
Look at you now. Pathetic.
Hey, not while I'm working, please.
What?
Not while I'm working. This side, yeah?
Yep. I think you missed it, mate.
I don't think so.
Yeah,
I
now.
think you missed it. He missed it, didn't he? He missed it.
Sure, we'll see. I want to be able to tell when you pull it.
I'm not
You're
sure.
never getting a job. Bit lower.
Huh?
Bro, you can't push it through it.
What am I supposed to do? Oh. Oh, wait. Oh no.
Just pull it. You don't know why people be a professional.
That's unbelievable. Look.
You missed the dent, lad.
I think I might have missed it then.
I told you missed the dent.
I think I might have missed it then.
Yeah, you have. It's here.
I think David is the winner on this one because I think you lifted that dent a little too high. David was more controlled with that.
So I did it too well, is what you're saying.
You overdone it.
Come on.
Oh, is that how it's done here? I see. Okay. I'll have to rethink my judgment.
We're not doing that.
Game's a game, lad.
When you're looking for your new car, you're looking at pictures on our website, and this is where we take those pictures. This is one of our state-of-the-art photography booths, and with our footballers, whilst they are used to being in front of camera, we're going to ask them to get behind camera and take their best pictures of a car that they possibly can.
This kid's photography school. Get ready for a lesson. Look at it, nice and shiny. We'll get the GT bit in there. People want to see that. Do I get the back?
Well, I think I'm tuning up already, so I think I've already got this in the bag, so yeah, pretty well. There's got to be some sort of technicalities what's going on here. The car's moving. Why is the car... Nah. Any chance?
Both players took really good images of the cars, but after reviewing them in a bit more detail, I'm happy to say that on this occasion, Cian is the winner. The reason I'm giving him the point and not David is because in every shot, the GT badge is actually very clear, very visible and very sharp, and it's all in focus.
The boys have tried their hands at several of the skills that we need to have here at Big Motoring World to get our cars into tip-top shape. But this is the final battle, booting balls into the boots of cars. But we've swapped out football boots for steel toe-capped safety boots because health and safety is paramount. So you look good.
Feel good, yeah?
I'll take it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna win.
You're going to win.
Yeah,
He's got no chance. He's got no chance.
Well, the best thing is that you both win a prize for being the best dressed on your feet.
Well, cut that. No, can we start again? It's embarrassing. No, can we actually start again? Edit! No! Good start. Worst start. Bang! There we are. Bang! Oh! Knocks it. Ah!
The camera.
Dreadful. I did terribly there on the first one. That was embarrassing, to be honest with you. I hope no one sees it.
After watching that, I think I know what the technique is, and it'll be pretty easy.
Mate, it's so close. That's cheating.
That's it, no? I'll do it again. Oh, no. Oh.
Mate, it's getting embarrassed for you.
Oh, you're joking. No, this is not good, this. Posh, trick shot.
Yeah!
Oh! There we go. Oh, that is how it's done. Ready? Oh! Oh! Get in! Oh. Yes! No, I need to redeem myself after the last two. So, I need to get this early doors. Oh, nice. And again. Oh, I'm taking it.
Yeah, you can't get it to landing. That was there. That was nice. The rest of it.
Well done, mate.
After being big employees at the National Preparation Centre, I think you share the points. I think it's a draw. I think it's the nicest way to do it.
Let's do it right.
Let's not do that.
Let's do it right. There's only one winner.
There is
Not you.
No, you're right. No, you are right. There is only one winner, and that is the big motoring world public, who should follow the Posh, because we are proud partners of Peterborough United, because at Big Motoring World, we're big on what matters to you.